In this video, I would like to show you how you can leverage AI calling systems to make effective outbound calls to your leads, clients, and prospects. Today, we will test an AI outbound calling agent for a company called Real Investing. Real Investing helps individuals to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing by providing deal funding software, expert analysis, and funding for property purchases and renovation. The AI agent is capable to answer questions from an extensive data source of company data, as well as schedule a property viewing with lead. So let's try a demo. Got a call here.
Hello, Alex. This is John, a personal assistant from Real Investing. How can I help you today?
Hey John, I'm planning to get into the real estate investing, and I'm thinking about purchasing a property. I was wondering if you guys can help me with that.
Absolutely, we can definitely help you with that. At Real Investing, we offer a range of tools and resources to assist you in finding and evaluating properties, negotiating contracts, estimating rehab costs, and more. Whether you're new to real estate investing or a seasoned professional, our technology and support can help you achieve superior results and speed for maximum profit. Do you have any specific questions about the process, or would you like to schedule a viewing of an investment property?
Yeah, I would like to schedule a viewing.
Great, I'd be happy to help you schedule a viewing. Could you please provide me with your name, email address, please spell it out, and your preferred date and time for the viewing?
So my name is Alex. My email is tolmor078@gmail.com, and I would like to schedule for next Wednesday, maybe 2 p.m.
Got it. So you'd like to schedule the viewing for next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Just to confirm, that's July 24th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Perfect, Alex. I'll go ahead and schedule the viewing for you. Just to confirm, your email is tolmor078@gmail.com, correct?
Yeah, that's exactly my email.
Thank you, Alex. I'll go ahead in one moment and schedule the viewing for you now. Your viewing has been successfully scheduled for Wednesday, July 24th, 2024 at 2 p.m. You should receive a confirmation email shortly at tolmor078@gmail.com. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you on your real estate investing journey. Have a great day, Alex.
Cheers. Bye. Alright, so as you can see, the agent was able to answer my question and as well as make a viewing. So when I go to the viewing, you can see that it was scheduled for 24th of July. So just because the time difference of my calendar is different, it was adjusted to my time zone. But we are able to identify any time zone or ask the lead for their preferred time zone as well. It was able to spell and identify my email correct. So yeah, as you can see, AI agents are pretty powerful tools, and you can add them to your business processes to leverage AI in your company. Thank you.